Hello everybody, it's Soda back here with my second video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys and girls how to install a siren pack with weapon sounds and many more stuff. So just to let you guys know, I'm going to get the Willen Syncom Sapphire Demo Sirens. This is going to be the sound of them, just so you guys can check a preview of what they sound like. So those are the gun sounds. So here's the sirens. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to check the version. It's 1.0.0. You guys want to come down, download, and then you guys can download the resident.rpf. Then just wait for the resident.rpf to download right here. Okay, so I already have the one of the resident.rpfs installed on my PC, so I'm gonna have to change that. But I'll just show you guys it for an example. Give it one more second. I will link the sirens in the description, so you guys and girls will be able to use these if you would like. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to locate your GTA main directory. So what you can do is you can go to your files, local disk, program files, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then GTA 5 Grand Theft Auto V. So this is your Grand Theft Auto V what's it called, main directory. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you want to go to x64, audio, SFX, and here are all of them. So I'm gonna redo that. Steam apps, common, Grand Theft Auto V, x64, audio, SFX, and then this is where you need to be. So for the sake of the time being, I'm gonna do something real quick. I am going to do this just so I can actually replace the sirens. Give me 1 second. I will just delete all of this. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Okay, give me 1 second. Sorry about this, I have a mess in here. I will just delete all of this. Make sure I don't got anything important. Delete that real quick. So, like I'm saying, is a lot of this is just old stuff that I don't need. So I'm gonna re-download this real quick so I can show you guys the full way how to do this. So if you guys want me to walk you through that one more time, I'm sure I don't need to. I'm sure you all are smart. Just wait. You want to go here to your files, a local disk, whichever local disk you are using. It should be C though. Program files x64. You want to go to Steam, Steam apps, common, Grand Theft Auto V, x64, audio, SFX. That's exactly where you're supposed to be. Make sure you guys are nowhere else. If you guys paste these in somewhere else, it could corrupt your game or something in that nature. So next, what you guys want to do is you want to grab your resident.rpf file. You don't want to drop it in right there. You want to drop it in on the side. It's going to ask you to replace it. Replacing it is totally fine. You're going to replace it. And then that's basically it to installing your sirens. You just replaced your new resident.rpf with the old one, and now it just added in your new sirens. So that's basically it on that. There's really nothing else to it. I will get back to you guys when I am in game, so I can show you guys the sound and how they sound like. I will be back. Okay, guys and girls, so I am in game now. And we will hear the sound of the sirens. So that's going to be the sound of the sirens, everybody. After you've got them installed, just make sure you followed that correct path and did everything the exact same. If you guys need any help within this process, feel free to drop it in the comments and I will get to you as soon as possible. I thank everyone for who watched this tutorial, and if you have any suggestions on what I should do next, please drop it in the comments and it will get done. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys have a good rest of your night, or probably day when you guys are going to be seeing this. But yeah, stay tuned for some more stuff. Have a good rest of your day, or night, sorry.